The JYXCN Smart Board Collaboration Hub combines a large ultra-high-definition touchscreen with integrated Android and Windows environments, so it can replace a traditional projector, computer, and television in one tidy unit. Its multi-touch panel supports many simultaneous touchpoints with very fast response and high precision, making handwriting, sketching, and on-the-fly annotations feel natural and lag-free for groups. Wireless casting works smoothly from multiple devices at once, allowing teams or students to share screens, pass control, and collect notes without fumbling with cables. Because it supports a broad range of applications and cloud services, the board adapts well to video meetings, digital whiteboarding, and content sharing across classrooms, offices, and home workspaces. Build quality is reassuring, with robust packaging and a professional finish that help the screen arrive safely and stand up to frequent daily use. Longer-term support, including a multi-year warranty and around-the-clock technical help, adds confidence that this collaboration hub will remain reliable in demanding environments.